Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Last week we prepared the eggnog, that is something typical of Christmas time. Today we are going to prepare muffins that will taste amazingly together with the eggnog. If you didn't watch that video, go back to the last week video and you will find it easily because it's an amazing drink during this cold season. If you are in Australia, you can eat it very cold and it will be perfect also for summertime. So let's go to the kitchen because today we are going to prepare some keto muffins with 3 different flavors.
But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from.
To prepare 12 delicious keto muffins, you will need only 300 grams of almond flour, 2 entire eggs plus 1 yolk, so 3 yolks plus 2 whites, then some erythritol as much as you want, 180 grams of butter, 250 milliliters of heavy cream, vanilla seeds or vanilla essence. Then of course you will need a baking tray for cupcakes and paper bun cases. I will use these colorful ones because I like them, but also because I don't want to buy new ones. But now in many shops you will find Christmas paper bun cases. Then I will also show you 2 more ingredients that will allow you to have 2 more flavors for these muffins. This is a super easy preparation. Actually, you just have to put all the ingredients into the blender. So let's start with the 300 grams of almond flour, then the 180 grams of butters, but the butter should be completely melted. Then you can add the erythritol. I didn't give you the quantity of the erythritol because it's very personal. So I suggest you, before putting everything into the oven, that you can taste a little bit of the mix and decide that if it's enough erythritol, it's okay. If you want to add a little bit more, it's okay too, because erythritol, even if it's made of 100% of carbohydrates, it has 0 calories. So it means that the body is not able to use those carbs. Then we add the eggs, the vanilla seeds I'm using, but you could also use the flavor or the essence. And at the end, we also add the 250 milliliters of heavy cream. Heavy cream should have around 3% of carbohydrates, but also around 35-40% of fat. So it's very ketogenic. While the blender is doing all the job, we can prepare the paper bun cases into the baking tray for cupcakes. And look, the miracle of the blender. Here it's our mix and it's ready to go into the oven. But before, we should put this mix inside our 12 paper bun cases. You will see that this mix is perfect. Don't do it too full because they are going to grow a little bit into the oven while baking. So the recipe is almost finished. But don't lose the walk after the recipe because we will go to the park and there is snow, so it's even more beautiful than usual. Stockholm with the snow, it's like a winter wonderland, so don't miss it. This could be the end. You are now supposed to put these muffins into the oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 360 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 25 minutes and you can have 12 beautiful and yummy keto muffins. But we are doing something more. I can show you how to do 2 more flavors. You just have to add a spoon of peanut butter or a piece of very dark chocolate in the middle of these muffins. And you will have delicious alternatives. So I will show you how to do it. It's super easy. We will put a piece of 90% dark chocolate in the middle of 4 muffins, exactly like I did, standing like this in the middle. Then we will add a spoon of peanut butter in the middle of 4 other muffins. So we will have 4 plain, 4 chocolate and 4 peanut butter muffins. What do you think about it? Which is your favorite? Please write it down below. I'm very curious. I have to tell you that probably I think the peanut butter is my favorite, but also the others. It depends from the moment of the day. I love all of them. And now, as I told you, they are truly ready to go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit during 25 minutes. But then, after, I will show you a secret, how to check if they are truly ready. So don't miss it, because every oven is a little bit different. So maybe you will need 5 more minutes or 5 less minutes. We should always check. And here they are. I think these muffins look great, but we should check if they are cooked, very well cooked also inside. You just have to put a toothpick inside a muffin and see when you take it out if it's wet or dry. Muffins are ready, and during the walk into the park, I will suggest you how to enjoy them. I really hope you liked today's recipe, and as a Christmas present you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. Have a lovely period with your family, with your friends, and have fun. Bye bye, see you next week.
And then time almost came to a stop.
And as promised, here we are in Humle Garden. This park is really near my home, so I come here practically every single day. I love it in all season, but with the snow it's truly amazing. What do you think about it? Where do you live? It's winter there? I don't know, maybe you are in Australia, maybe you are in South America, maybe you are enjoying summertime, but I promise you that even in Sweden we enjoy winter really very, very much, and I love it too.
It's gonna be
But let's go back to our muffins.
decorating the tree.
I told you that I was going to tell you how to eat these muffins, with which kind of drink. They are amazing. Talking about a ketogenic diet, you should know that any kind of coffee is really fine.
You came for, and in the coffee shop,
Also any kind of tea, and with muffins they are great.
hours on end.
But it's Christmas time, so why don't you prepare a great eggnog?
That we'd find something
I showed you last week how to do it keto,
that would change from now on.
so go back to my video on last Monday and prepare this eggnog, because it tastes really incredible together with the muffins.
Christmas on.
You should definitely try.
From this Christmas
And if you will try it, please leave a comment down below, or here, or down the video of the eggnog. It's a super easy drink. It's full of energy and flavors because you have the eggs, but also the vanilla, the cinnamon, and you have so many great flavors that you cannot miss it. Even the, what's it called? Nutmeg. The nutmeg. So tell me if you like it too, if you like both the muffin and the eggnog. You probably noticed watching my video that the light is very different here in Sweden. Because during winter time we have a very few hours with the sun. And the sunset usually in this period of the year is around 2:30 in the afternoon. So we have many dark hours, but I can tell you that they are incredibly romantic. We use candle lights at home, everybody do, and it's beautiful with Christmas decoration and a lot of kids playing outside even when it's dark. On the other side we have the white snow that gives some clarity, some light, so it's truly beautiful. But probably you don't feel it. I can tell you that it's really very cold. So that's why I dress like this, and that's why now I walk home as fast as possible because I'm freezing.
From